Welcome! In this tutorial, we're focusing on building a mood tracker screen using the Ionic Design Kit. It's an essential feature for wellness and self-care apps, designed to help users log and reflect on their emotional well-being. We'll go through how to structure it clearly and effectively, using pre-built components. On the left-hand side of your screen, we're jumping into the world of coding, using some official Ionic documentation snippets to lead the way. Right in the middle, you'll see the layout, all thanks to the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, we've got a phone emulator lined up, ready to show off what our code can do in real time. Need a moment to catch up? You can pause this video at any time if something moves too fast. Mood tracking is all about quick, meaningful input. Users need a way to record how they feel, maybe with emojis, a short note, and a date. It should feel simple, not clinical. That's where the Ionic Design Kit makes things easier. You'll find pre-made elements like emoji selectors, input fields, and date pickers, all styled to match the Ionic framework. You can move through layout and interaction design without building anything from scratch. And for developers, it's just as smooth. The components translate directly into working code. This is how design and development stay aligned. Clean handoffs, quick iteration, and no guesswork. If you would like to review the full code examples or design files, they are always available on our website. For apps focused on emotional well-being, design matters. With the Ionic Design Kit, you get the tools to create engaging, intuitive screens that users enjoy coming back to. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on guides. See you in the next video.